Why Vivint is the best smart home security system in 2024. If you're on the hunt for a smart home security system that combines top-notch protection with the latest in smart technology, look no further than Vivint. After testing numerous systems, I can confidently say that Vivint is my favorite. Let's dive into what makes this system a standout choice for homeowners. The good stuff. Vivint offers a robust home security solution that doesn't skimp on smart home convenience. With excellent options for security cameras and video doorbells, you can keep an eye on your home from anywhere. Plus, if you're into smart lighting, you can easily add your own Z-Wave devices to the mix, giving you even more control over your home environment. A few drawbacks. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The security cameras can be a bit pricey, and there's no option for self-installation unless you're adding Z-Wave devices. Additionally, if you're looking for a self-monitoring option, you won't find it here. Our verdict: when it comes to professionally installed and monitored home security systems that also offer the comforts of a smart home, Vivint truly shines. Pricing overview. While many home security systems focus solely on keeping intruders at bay, Vivint goes above and beyond. Their systems not only deter criminals but also protect against fire and water damage. If you're not comfortable with DIY installations, Vivint Smart Home is worth considering. Unlike some competitors, Vivint doesn't ship components for self-installation, but you can customize and expand your system after the initial setup. Hiring a professional technician isn't cheap, but Vivint offers flexible payment options, allowing you to pay over time without interest. Just keep in mind that this usually comes with a long-term contract of 3 to 5 years. If that doesn't sit well with you, you can opt for an upfront payment and a month-to-month agreement. The system I reviewed costs around $2,800, plus the monthly fee for professional monitoring that can alert authorities in emergencies. The heart of the system. At the core of Vivint's offering is the Smart Hub, a sleek control panel with a 7-inch touchscreen. This hub connects to your home network via Wi-Fi and has a backup battery to keep things running even if the power goes out. It's designed to protect you from intruders who might try to disable your system by cutting off your power or internet. The hub features an onboard siren for alarms and allows you to connect directly to Vivint's monitoring service in case of emergencies. With both Wi-Fi and Z-Wave radios, the hub enables seamless communication between your devices, ensuring everything works together smoothly. User-friendly states. Vivint's system has 3 main states. Disarmed. Perfect for when you're home and moving around. The motion sensor is off, but you'll still get alerts when doors and windows are opened. Armed stay. Use this when you're home and don't expect anyone to come and go. The motion sensor is off, but door/window sensors are active, giving you a minute to disarm if needed. Armed away. This is the state for when you leave home. All sensors are active, and any door opening will trigger a countdown alarm. Some sensors, like smoke and water leak detectors, are always armed, ensuring you're alerted to potential dangers. Smart Actions for automation. One of the coolest features of Vivint is the Smart Actions tool in their app. This allows you to create automations based on specific events. For example, if an alarm is triggered, all your security cameras will start recording, and your smart lights will turn on. You can even set your smart locks to automatically lock at a certain time or disarm the system when the correct code is entered. Smart lighting options. While Vivint offers its own smart lighting controls, you can also add Z-Wave devices to your system. This flexibility allows you to customize your lighting setup to fit your needs. Just keep in mind that Vivint's technicians aren't licensed electricians, so you'll need to handle any in-wall installations yourself. Security cameras that deliver. Vivint's security cameras are designed for seamless integration with the control panel. They offer 24/7 recording options and can stream live feeds to your smartphone. The indoor camera features 2-way audio, allowing you to communicate with anyone in its view. The outdoor camera is equipped with advanced features like a high-resolution image sensor and smart deter technology, which can deter potential intruders with sound and light. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a comprehensive home security system that combines professional monitoring with smart home features, Vivint is hard to beat. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, the level of integration and customization it offers makes it a worthwhile investment for your peace of mind. With Vivint, you're not just securing your home, you're enhancing your lifestyle.